Although Ochi Rios is really known for being a bit of a tourist hotspot, beyond the tourist traps, there's a lot of amazing, really cool food spots, including a great number of vegan Ital restaurants. So we're gonna roll around town and try and find as many as possible. Absolute mad thing. Look how much sugarcane for 100 Jamaican dollars. 100 Jamaican dollars is like 50p or something. All that I can't even remember what sugarcane costs in London, but mate, that is a lot of sugarcane. Ooh.
Veg, chunks, tofu, red pea stew, rice, food, turn candy.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's like one of the only places that's equally as popular with locals as it is with tourists, which is actually really rare, I think, here. Like, we have like the hotel or resort type restaurants, we have like the street yard food. Actually, most people just cook at home because it's actually kind of expensive to eat out for kind of people on local wages to eat out every day. It's not something that people really do. But yeah, this is one of those places that get like tourists and local people, Rasta people. As you see, there's a lot of people shifting to that kind of vegan Ital lifestyle in Jamaica. There's no better way to stay hydrated in a hot place like Jamaica than with fresh coconuts.
Thank you very much, Sunshine, and welcome back to Carlton Crescent here, where we are really having fun. And not only we from the team.
So right now we are about to visit Calabash Itals Restaurant, which is one of the most popular Ital restaurants in Ochi. It's so much more than just a restaurant. It's got a little supermarket where they sell a lot of natural products, including soaps, and creams and toothpastes. They got apparels like Rasta scarves, headbands, but most importantly, people, yeah, come for the food. Their food's incredible. Amazing selection of vegan Ital food. Every day it changes. The food here is incredible, and you can mix and match whatever you want from their offerings of the day, which is usually anything from ackee, hard food, jerk tofu, barbecue tofu, red pea stew, all topped off with an amazing salad. And no meal is ever more than about 800 Jamaican dollars, which is about 10 US dollars. So I said I was going to come back and check Mr. Lee, so obviously I had to come back.
Definitely. Yeah, you know exactly where to find me.
Great Pond. Yeah. What's the name of this road?
Some people call it Back Street.
Back Street.
But the right name is Bogan Village.
Oh, okay, oh yeah.
The long time name is Back Street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, in the taxi you take and say, drop your uncle, leave, they know.
Yeah.
You know?
Sick.